your body doesn't just age, it slowly starts breaking down, silently. That constant weakness, those painful joints, that low energy you feel every day, it's not just because you're getting older. It's because of what you're eating every single day. Yes, like some normal foods you trust are secretly draining your strength, weakening your bones, and accelerating aging without you even realizing it. But here's the shocking truth. The right foods can actually reverse weakness, restore your energy, and make you feel stronger than you have in years. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 powerful foods for seniors that can completely transform your health. But be careful. If you ignore food number 7, you might be damaging your bones every single day without knowing it. So don't skip. Watch this till the end, because what you're about to learn could change your life. Number 1. Leafy greens, 1 to 2. Let me ask you something. Do you often feel tired, even after doing nothing? Do your legs feel weak or your body feels heavy? If yes, then your body might be missing something very important. Green vegetables, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are not just simple foods. They are like natural medicine for your body. These vegetables are packed with powerful nutrients, like calcium, which makes your bones stronger, iron, which improves your blood and fights weakness, and essential vitamins that keep your body active and alive. As we age, our body slowly starts losing these nutrients. And that's when problems begin. Weak bones, low energy, joint pain. But here's the good news. Adding just 1 bowl of leafy greens daily can start repairing your body from inside. It improves blood circulation, gives you natural energy, and helps you feel lighter, stronger, and more active. If you truly want to feel better, start with this simple habit today. Because sometimes the biggest health change comes from the simplest food. Number 2, fatty fish. Now let me tell you about a food that most seniors ignore, but it can quietly protect your heart, your brain, and even your joints. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with something very powerful, which is omega-3 fatty acids. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about that? Here's the truth. As you grow older, your body starts developing inflammation inside. You don't see it, but you feel it in the form of joint pain, stiffness, and constant discomfort. And this is exactly where omega-3 works like magic. It reduces inflammation. So your joints feel less pain, your movements become easier, and your body feels more flexible. But that's not all. Fatty fish also protects your heart by lowering bad cholesterol and improving blood circulation. And here's something surprising. It even helps your brain stay sharp. Yes, regular intake of omega-3 can improve memory, focus, and reduce the risk of mental decline. Just eating fish 2 times a week can slowly start transforming your health. So if you want stronger joints, a healthier heart, and a sharper mind, don't ignore this simple food. Because sometimes the difference between weakness and strength is just 1 habit away. Number 3, nuts and seeds. Let me reveal something surprising. The foods that look the smallest often have the biggest impact on your health. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. They may seem tiny, but inside them is a powerhouse of nutrition. As you cross 60, your body starts losing natural energy. You feel tired quickly, your mind feels slower, and even small tasks start feeling difficult. This is where nuts and seeds become your secret weapon. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients that give your body long-lasting energy, not just a quick boost. Walnuts, for example, are known as brain food. They help improve memory, focus, and mental clarity, which is extremely important as you age. Almonds strengthen your bones and support your muscles. feel more stable and active throughout the day. And chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3, which improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and keep your heart healthy. But here's the best part. You don't need a lot. Just a small handful daily can slowly rebuild your strength, boost your brain power, and keep you feeling energetic all day long. So next time you feel low on energy, don't reach for unhealthy snacks. Choose these tiny power foods instead. Because sometimes, small habits create the biggest changes. No 4. Fruits. Now let's talk about something that almost everyone thinks is always healthy. Fruits. But here's the truth. Not all fruits help you the same way. Especially after 60. Fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are packed with fiber and powerful antioxidants. And these nutrients do something amazing inside your body. They improve your digestion, so you don't feel heavy or uncomfortable after meals. They boost your immunity, helping your body fight diseases, infections, and weakness that comes with age. And yes, they even help keep your skin healthier and fresher, so you don't feel aged from the outside either. But here's something most people don't realize. As you get older, your body becomes more sensitive to sugar, and some fruits, especially very sweet ones, can quietly increase your blood sugar levels, which can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and even bigger health problems over time. So what's the smart way? Choose fruits wisely. Go for low to moderate sugar fruits like apples and berries, and avoid eating too many overly sweet fruits at once. Also, keep your portion controlled, because even something healthy can become harmful if taken in excess. So enjoy fruits, but do it the right way. Because the goal is not just to eat healthy, but to stay healthy for years to come. No 5. Dairy products. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt a sudden weakness in your legs or a fear of falling as you walk? That's not just age. It could be a silent calcium deficiency in your body. Milk, yogurt, and cheese may look like simple everyday foods, but for seniors, they are essential for survival strength. These dairy products are rich in calcium and vitamin D, which play a critical role in keeping your bones strong and teeth healthy. As you grow older, your bones naturally start losing density. They become weaker, more fragile, and even a small fall can lead to serious fractures. This is why many seniors suddenly face bone issues, even without any major injury. But here's the good news. You can slow down this process by simply adding dairy to your daily routine. A glass of milk, a bowl of yogurt. These small habits can help strengthen your bones from inside, improve muscle support, and reduce the risk of fractures. And yogurt has an extra benefit. It improves your digestion, which often becomes weaker with age. Just 1 glass of milk daily can make a powerful difference over time. So don't ignore this simple habit, because strong bones mean a stronger, safer, and more independent life. Number 6, protein. Rich foods. Now here's a hidden truth that most seniors don't realize. It's not age that makes you weak, it's muscle loss. As you cross 60, your body slowly starts losing muscle mass. You may not notice it at first, but over time, climbing stairs becomes harder. Standing for long feels tiring, and even walking feels unstable. This is where protein becomes absolutely essential. Foods like chicken, eggs, lentils, dal are rich in high-quality protein. And protein does one very important job. It helps build and maintain your muscles. Without enough protein, your muscles shrink, your strength drops, and your balance becomes weaker, which increases the risk of falls and injuries. But here's the good news. When you start adding protein to your daily meals, your body slowly starts rebuilding strength. You feel more stable, more energetic, and more confident in your movements. And it's not just about strength. Protein also helps in faster recovery. and keeps your body functioning properly. The simple rule is this: add some protein in every meal. It doesn't have to be complicated. An egg in breakfast, lentils in lunch, chicken or beans in dinner. These small choices can make a huge difference over time. Because staying strong after 60 is not luck. It's a daily habit. Number 7. Water and herbal tea. Now get ready for a surprise. The most powerful food for your body is something you might be ignoring every single day. Water. Yes, something so simple, yet so dangerously overlooked, especially after 60. As you age, your body's sense of thirst becomes weaker. You don't feel thirsty, even when your body is actually dehydrated. And this silent dehydration just can cause serious problems. Constant fatigue, dizziness, confusion, dry skin, and even increased risk of falls. Many seniors think they are just getting old, babies. But in reality, their body is simply lacking water. And here's the scary part. Even mild dehydration can affect your brain function, your energy levels, and your overall health. But the solution is simple. Start drinking water regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. Take small sips throughout the day and make it a habit, not a choice. And if you want something more soothing, add herbal teas to your routine. They help your body relax, improve digestion, and promote better sleep at night. A warm cup of herbal tea can calm your mind and bring comfort to your body. So don't wait until you feel weak. Start hydrating your body today, because sometimes the biggest health problems come from the simplest neglect. Before we finish, here's a warning that most seniors ignore. Some everyday foods are secretly draining your strength. Too much sugar. It spikes your blood sugar, causes fatigue, and slowly damages your joints. Processed foods, full of chemicals that weaken your bones and immune system. Fried items, they increase inflammation, joint pain, and make your body feel older than it is. Even if you eat all the right foods, these sneaky culprits can undo all your hard work. Be careful, because avoiding them is just as important as eating the right foods. So there you have it, the 7 most powerful foods for seniors. If you truly want to feel stronger, more energetic, and protect your health after 60, start adding these foods today. I want to hear from you. After 60, which food will you start eating first? Let's see who's taking care of their health. Comment below right now, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more practical health tips for seniors. Remember, your health is your real wealth, and every choice counts.